Time the prism after the Korean myth Paridegi. Did you not doubt? The moon marked me blue-throated, clothed me in maybe a miracle. How could you trust a miracle? Aimed at the miracle, maybe I'd bullseye. Weren't you lonely? Host of voices carried conversation. Did you not fear? There's only one way to fly out this myth. How did you keep going? Time the prism after the Korean myth Paridegi. Did you not doubt? The moon marked me blue-throated, clothed me in maybe a miracle. How could you trust a miracle? Aimed at the miracle, maybe I'd bullseye. Weren't you lonely? Host of voices carried conversation. Did you not fear? There's only one way to fly out this myth. How did you keep going? Hand clasped with the moon. Was it all fate? Fate the clenched fist? Did you find what you're looking for? Tricked by the man of Mount Dongdaesan, I gave him 3 sons in exchange for the map. Did you not doubt? Heaven sent many illegible signs. How could you trust a miracle? How could a miracle trust me? Weren't you lonely? Each moon set. Did you not fear? I followed as iron the magnetic field. Inscribed on the boulder, this is the gate protected by ghosts. I announced myself, my name, my river, my tiger. How did you keep going? 3,000 more miles. Was it all fate? Waved by the white flag, whipped by the west wind. Did you find what you're looking for? A blue bottle in the shape of a turtle. A rock trickling 1 drop every 100 days. Did you? Time chewed me. How? As flowers. Lonely? Yes. Fear? Of course. How? With peripheral vision. Was it? Quote, when Pari finally filled the bottle, she hurried out the garden to discover that time and space had bent around her. Her long journey had taken no time at all. End quote. Did you? 1 miracle every 100 years.